What's up, guys? Today's the day. We're assembling the VQ, and yeah, that's gonna be that. We're putting the VQ together. So we got all these gaskets here, got the engine right here. We gonna put a lot of RTV on here, do a lot of ugga-duggas with the torque wrench, and then that's gonna be that. Where's my torque wrench at? Where is she? There she is. Yes, sir. We getting it done today, the right way. Out at the junkyard, pulling some parts off of G. I need to get the fuel rail dampener from the back side, and I'm gonna grab a couple camshaft position sensors. If they're not already gone, it doesn't look like it's already gone. So. Found Kenny. He hasn't found what he's looking for yet.
But we found this.
But we found this. I need these bolts.
Come on, come on.
I know I need that one. I need these bracket bolts too. See, I gotta get a new alternator and a new starter. I know that much. This thing's hideous. I did this like a month ago. It is motherfucking about to rain out here. There goes Kenny. Alright, so I got the timing all done. Probably going to seal the front side of the engine cover up, do the upper and lower oil pan seals, and then call it a night. But it's looking pretty good. According to the marks, everything's right. You got the pink lined up. Got the pink lined up. Got the orange lined up. Everything's at top dead center. All my tensioners are in place. It's looking good. What up, guys? So, got some good news. Spent all last night working on the engine. GoPro died, so I wasn't really able to get a lot of clips, but it's done. Got the timing all done, got the front timing cover sealed on, did the lower oil pan, upper oil pan, put the gaskets in, did the rear main seal, put the new thermostat on. Of course, we don't have the intake on, but I'd rather put that on after we get the car dropped in and all that. Fortunately, since it's not actually a G35 or a 350Z, there will be plenty of engine bay room to work on the valve covers or switch out the manifolds or do any of that work. the brand new rear main seal here. Instead of just getting the gasket, I just got the whole assembly from Z1. It's pretty much more worth it to just get the assembly. I think it's like 18 bucks or 22 bucks or something like that. And then you can get the seal itself for like 12, so you can just get the whole assembly and not have to worry about pulling it out and all that shit. But got the engine mounts on there, looking pretty nice. She's a beauty. I can't wait to get her dropped in the car. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Sorry about the lack of content recently. Even though I'm literally one piece away from the car running, the wiring harness and the ECU are taking a little bit longer than expected. It's no big deal. Just wish I had a better idea of what's going on with it and where it's at, but whatever. When it's done, and then I won't have to worry about it. So yeah, I've been going out to the scrapyard the last couple days, getting my hands on some stuff. I didn't get to take the camera with me on Sunday because I didn't think of it, but I went out there and there was an SC300 there, and somebody pulled the whole 2J right out, and it was sitting on the ground next to the car. And I went back the next day and it was gone. I wanted to pull the rods out of it for my 2J because I got the VVTi, so my rods are a little bit weaker. But I literally would have had to pull a whole engine apart at the junkyard in 105-degree weather, and that really didn't sound fun at all. Plus, you know, it was a complete engine from a totaled car, so I kind of would have felt bad ripping into it like that and taking the rods out of it, especially considering somebody definitely planned on coming back and picking it up. So I'm sure they're happy. I'm sure they don't know that somebody was planning on coming back and tearing the thing to pieces just to take the piston or the rods. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm not too worried about it. Probably would have cost me around $100 to buy all the rods anyways. So I mean, for like 200 bucks I can just go on Marketplace and get a set anyways. So I didn't ruin somebody's day. Somebody didn't go and pull the whole engine out of the car for no reason. I didn't get what I needed, but like I said, I don't really care because it is what it is. So other than that though, on Sunday I also went out and I picked up an S14 subframe from Rice and Beans Parts out in Orange County, Orlando. They do a couple part outs. They part out S chassis, and usually they have what you need. And then I went to pull and pay after that, and I grabbed an open diff out of an 04 base model. So, well, they're spinning the same way for some reason, but yeah. But yeah, so I ordered my GK Tech conversion bushings. I got the the poly ones for the subframe itself, and then I got the solid ones for the differential, just because I don't think they make poly ones for the differential, but no big deal. I got those on the way here, and then literally all I have to buy for the car to finish the swap is a drive shaft and axles. So, oh, sorry, I guess I need 3 things. I got to get rotors too. So yeah, no biggie. I've been trying to talk to Hexa a little bit, just get an idea of where things are at, but we're just past the deadline of how long it usually takes them to work on things, so I'm assuming we should be getting some good news pretty soon here. And then yeah, I'll have content of me dropping the engine in the engine bay and then wiring the car up, starting it the first time, throwing the drive shaft in. Good content is right here. It's right around the corner, so just stick with me and we'll get this stuff in here and we'll get it in the car and we'll get this thing running. I honestly can't even wait. It's just so exciting, man, but I'm being patient, waiting. It'll come together soon. So yeah, man, but I got my flywheel here. I ordered an XTD flywheel. It is an eBay flywheel. It was like 200 bucks. You know, for every bad review you'll find 10 good reviews. So I mean, it's worth a shot. I mean, if it ends up bad, it ends up bad. I'm not really too worried about it. I've got an Excetti clutch and flywheels, or I got an Excetti clutch kit, so that's really what I wouldn't want to cheap out on, so I'm not too worried about that. And then there's a gentleman in the S13 groups on Facebook. I think his Instagram handle is JZ Two-Tone. I can put it down in the description. I actually just got these from him in the mail yesterday, and they're super clean. So as you guys know, I'm doing the Sylvia front end on my hatch. And these are the plugs right here that will hook the corner light blinkers to the pig nose blinker and then into your wire harness, and it keeps them sequential. He did a really good job on them. They're really clean, brand new connectors. Yeah, looks great. So if you guys ever are looking for these connectors to, you know, make your lights sequential in your Sylvia front end swap, you can hit up this gentleman and get what you need. So yeah. So that's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate you guys' support and following along. If you're new here and you want to follow along with the build, feel free to hit subscribe, hit like, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put a comment down below or find my Instagram and send me a message over there. There are more real-time updates over on my Instagram because it's easier to upload to. So if you guys want to get a little more involved with what I got going on day to day, you can follow my Instagram. I'll have the link down in the description as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Take care.